welcome back to a long overdue video of Banana Kong. Yeah, we're back again, people. And in this one, we're going to be maxing out. Let me find it. The snack. Plop. Oh no, I don't have enough for it. Cool. Brilliant. Well, there you go, people. Now, as I was saying, so what we're exactly going to be doing today is we're going to be riding the snake, and you'll see. How the hell did I die? Well, that's just rigged. We are going to try and ride the snake. And obviously, we're not going to be getting to the beach without this bad boy. Yo. Thank you, my good friend. Oh, that's not fair. Hello, Tuka. Rocket, where's the rocket? Oh, get wrecked, no, you stupid Tuka. There's the old rocket. Oh yeah, let's go. First row. Yes. We can do it, lads. Oh, I should do that. Oh yes, let's go. Second snake, let's go. See? Yeah, this challenge done first try. Oh! Where is the snake? Oh no! You know, it's maybe 5 is a little extreme. 3 times. I don't care. I'm never gonna use these simple moves again. We're finishing the game, so I might as well use them. It's always good to keep one, just in case this game ever did get another update. I would cover it, obviously. Hey, what the heck? Where's that? Where? I should not have been cocky like that. I should not have just tried to smoke. What? There ain't no way. Oh, stupid. Give me the bananas now. Rocket. I thought you could like power dash well again. I wanted to kill that stupid ugly looking ass crap. Colourful comment. Oh yes. Come here. Oh no, I fell off. Oh well. Alright, I will not. Oh, I will not have brain rot on my channel. Everyone knows that no one likes brain rot. You'd have to be brain rot to brain rot on my channel. Like seriously. saw a gaming Beaver video, and he was like, "What is up, my Sigmasaurus?" I don't know if you guys saw it. It was on Rush the other game, and I was watching it, and he was like, "What's up, my Sigmasaurus?" Obviously, that was just a new revolution. This is. I died. I should. Don't worry, that wasn't real. I was just like, it all went to. But it's alright, because I always come prepared. Most of the time. How much is it to max? Okay, it's going pretty well, people. Let's check that. Oh, crap! This might have been a little lag. Okay, we can do it, guys. We can do it. We can do it. Can't wait to get a microphone. And it's soon. I'm not going to tell you exactly when it is, because I can't be giving out personal info, but it's in the season of winter. That's all I'm saying. It's in the season of winter. Okay. Look at this, lads. We're going insane. Right, giraffe. Well, this isn't fair. Well, that isn't fair at all. You know what I'm thinking for my final video, Banana Kong? King of the Jungle video, right? But I go for about 8,000 meters. No, not 8,000. That's pitiful. I go for 20,000. Well, that isn't fair at all. I powered us straight into a truck. Ooh, a bit annoying. I'm annoyed. Sure. That'll do. The turtle's actually quite easy to fix. That's crazy, that. So hold on. Which are rounds? So let me just. So we maxed out the ball already. So we still got the toucan, the giraffe, the turtle, and the snake. However, a lot of them are already done that. I still haven't got the toucan yet. Tell you what. I got on it. The giraffe's like the cheapest one. Wow. The snake gets pretty pricey. I think the boar's the most expensive, isn't it? With 18,000. The snake's 15k. Giraffe's only 5k. To be fair, the giraffe doesn't do that much for you. I am gonna do a video like ranking every single animal, and I'll have some gameplay in the background of me riding them. Or at least FT dot them. I've got an idea of what we're gonna do. So we're gonna get, of course, the one, the only, the amazing ball. channel. Ooh! This game is so like toxic. Come on, come on. Come on lads, we can do it. Come on lads. There you are, you fat pig. Come here. Come here, chubby. Plop, plop, plop. Get wrecked. Oh, what? Nah, bro, you gotta be serious right now. That doesn't count as brain rot. That's actually. Oh my god, stop coughing. I despise when I cough. It's so annoying. I just had a bit of a rough time. Probably why I didn't upload quite as much recently. Like, I haven't been uploading every day now. I know. I'll get back into it. Once. Because the holiday is coming up. My holiday is coming up here. Well, not my holiday, but the school holiday. End of the fall semester. We don't call it semester. We call it half term. And I just died. Beautiful. But as I was saying, I get 1 week off, and hopefully, because I probably will have recovered by then, I can upload loads. Like, I'm talking like, if I'm bored and I've got nothing to do, then I'm gonna be uploading like twice a day, possibly. Also, there's a kid at school begging for me to give him a shout out. I was like, yeah, good. I don't know why, but all of the girls want me to play Roblox. Why? I don't know. But that's their problem, I guess. Well, let's go Sigmas. Sorry, I need to stop using brain room. I'm so sorry for people who are against brain room. Ooh! Top hat. No! This isn't fair! This is rigged! Dude, stupid game. My goodness. I do not even care anymore. I'm keeping you guys here until I have this max giraffe. But you know what? Oh, I spent it. Okay, no. This one I'm I know I said I did. Dude, this is so frustrating. What? Oh my goodness, no! I can't do this. Bro. Boom! Get wrecked. Get wrecked. What the? Oh my god, what? Ooh, oh no, what? The ball was right there. The ball, bro. The ball was right. No, what? Hey, I can tank ahead. Well, I can do this, I can do this. I can't do this. Ooh, I died. Okay, that's right. No, I didn't mean to go in there. No! Ah, this has just been the unluckiest runs ever. The unluckiest time. I am so unlucky. Well guys, if you've enjoyed this video and hopefully you want to see a bit more and maybe us finish the game in the next few episodes, make sure to like and subscribe and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.